Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need the essentials now, Python 3. 11 or later, pip, and an editor you actually use. Once you have them, make a project folder and run Python mvenv. Venv, then activate it. This isolates dependencies. Next, create a requirements. txd and initialize git so you track changes. Make a tiny app file, app, py, and confirm Python app. Py runs. This starts the workflow and prevents environment issues while you iterate quickly and deliberately. You now build the middle of the pipeline. Pick Flask for clarity, Fast API for async performance and automatic docs, or Django for integrated features. Start by defining routes and request handlers, separate concerns into modules. Once routes return JSON or render templates, add dependency management and a linter to keep code clean. Integrate PyTest tests for core handlers and run them often. Make migrations or schema changes incrementally. This prevents big refactors later and keeps your app deployable. You finish by containerizing. Write a concise Docker file, build an image, and test it locally. Once done, choose hosting, use a cloud container service, or deploy on a server with Unicorn behind Nginx. Make sure to add environment variables for secrets and enable basic logging and health checks. If errors happen, inspect logs, revert to the previous image, and run tests locally. One key troubleshooting tip. If the app fails on startup, check environment variables and port bindings first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.